Hello guys, in this video we are doing this question, find matching pattern question. So you can see here there are two test cases, and in this question we find out if this pattern is present in the string, then we are print simple yes, otherwise we are printing no. So BAB is not present in the string, so that's why the answer is no. So how we can solve this question? So I open the question first of all. So you can see here the description given in a string str of the length n and the pattern PAT of the length m. Find if there is a substring in the given str that match the pattern PAT. So यही फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये जो सेकंड स्ट्रिंग है अगर ये इसमें मैच हो रही है तो वी आर प्रिंटिंग यस, अदरवाइज वी आर प्रिंटिंग नो हियर. So how we can solve this question? So the approach of solving this question is, guys, we are following here. So this we are taking this string and we are generate the old substring of this string. Okay, and when we generate the substring, at every time we are checking if that substring is equal to this pattern or not. If we find out these both things is equal, so at that time we are printing the result true, otherwise we are printing false. Okay, so after the like iterating the whole string, if we are not finding out this pattern, then we are simply print the no at the last of the code. So we are solving this question. So I open the editor. So I first of all we are taking the scanner class object and I am writing here the input also. So first of all the length of the string is 10 and the length of the pattern is 3 here. After the length of the string is 5 and the length of the pattern is 2 here. There are two test cases given to us. So I am creating a scanner class object. Scanner as is equal to new scanner, and in this we are writing as system dot in. So scanner class object is created. Now we are taking the test case. In test case is equal to sc dot next int. So we are running our program till test cases. So test case minus minus is greater than 0. So test case is created. So I write in good way. So test case is created. After that we are taking the value of the n here. So int n is the length of the string here. So I am taking in n is equal to sc dot next int. So n value is taken in this. After that we are taking the length of the pattern here. So int m is equal to sc dot same thing next int. So pattern length is also taken. So now we are storing the value of our string in str. String str is equal to sc dot next int. If you have any doubt after this video, so you can ask in the comment section also. I reply the comments. Str, then we are taking a pattern here. So in the pattern we are taking the next string sc dot next. Sorry, why I am taking here int next. Okay, so both string and the pattern is taken in the string str and pat. Now we are first of all we are declare a boolean value here. Boolean like boolean we can declare here flag is equal to, first of all we are declare this thing is false because we are not find out any pattern. false false. Okay, so now we are checking, we are iterating our loop and we are generating the substring of the string, and if we are find out at any position we are find out, then we are simply print the we find out we can uh, we can true the flag and we can break the our loop at that time. So we are follow this approach. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than the length of the string here is n, and then I increment. So first for loop is created. Now we are creating a string builder here because when we are generating the substring, then each substring we are for the each substring we are checking for like we are comparing the our string substring and our pattern. If they are matched, then we we true our flag and we break our loop. Okay, so that's why. And why I am not taking here a string, because string is always created a new object. Okay, so that's why I am creating here string builder for the like this is better choice when we take here string builder. String builder SB is equal to new string builder. So string builder is created here. Okay, guys. So now we how we can generate the substrings for int j is equal to I. So we take from like we are taking this example here. So first of all, we are taking here A. So this all things is rotated for the A, then B, then C. So that's why I am taking here nested loop. J is equal to I and J is less than here till the length of the string, and after that J increment. So this is done. And how we can store the value in string builder? So here we can store sp dot, because in the string builder a append method is present for the adding the character in the string builder. APPEND string builder dot append, and what we are appending here, we are appending str dot char at j. Okay, so we are appending the character in the string builder. Okay, here. So now we are comparing, like after the appending, if our string builder is equal to pattern or not. So how we can compare? We are creating a if condition. So guys, remaining one thing, like remind this thing, like the pattern is type of string, but we are creating here string builder. So how we can compare the both things? We can convert the string builder into the to string, and then we can compare the both things. So sp is our string builder, sp dot to string. Now this value is converted to the string type. And how we can check the values? With the help of equals method. We cannot use this thing because this thing is check at the like this thing is check the like the location, but we want to the check here the value of the string and pattern and sb. So we use the equals method, equals, and here what we can write here, we want to compare with the pattern, so we compare this. If the both things are equal, so at that time what we can do here, we can simply flag is equal to true. We find out the value, we find this pattern in our string, and we can simply break our loop here. Okay, so this is the simple code. Okay, so after that what we can write as this is if this is the inner for loop, and after that here we can again this is running for the next one, then we can write here sb is equal to null at this position, because each time new substring is created. So that's why I am writing here sb is equal to null. And after that we are using here ternary operator for avoiding the 2-3 lines of code. System dot out dot println, and if we find out the our matching pattern, this if flag is true, then simply print the yes. Otherwise, if we not find out the flag, if our flag is false, so this thing is executed. So you can use the ternary operator also. So that's all about the code. So we run this program according to this test case, and you can see here system. Okay. So where is it? System.in. So now run. Yes, no. So the first pattern we find out BAB in this BAB, but the next is BA is not present in this. So that's why the second answer is no, and the first answer is yes. So what we are doing here, we are taking the test case, then we are taking the length of the string, then we are taking the length of the pattern. So I think this is the, there are no any use of this thing. So in the input test case, this is given. So that's why I am taking this thing. So we are taking the string and pattern in string type, and we are creating a boolean value flag false because we are not finding till now any matching pattern. So now we are running a for loop till the length of the string, and we are creating here string builder for the storing the value. This is a type of bag here for storing the each character. So now we are running for the like in the nested loop we are iterating our iterating in our string. So j is equal to I, j less than n, j plus plus, because we want to perform operation for the each characters here. So then if sp dot toString dot equals pattern, so sb's type of string builder, we cannot apply the equals method on the string builder. So that's why I am converting the string builder to the string type. Till here this convert to the string, and in string has a method of string has a method equals. So equal method compare the value of the both things. So if string in the substring we find out the equals pattern of this pattern, then flag true break, and for the each iteration again we null this string builder, because when we rotate till now we are not find out any value. So this string builder contains some value after the iteration this loop. So that's why I null this string builder for avoiding the unwanted result here. So that's why if we find out our flag, then yes, otherwise we print no. So that's all about this question. Hope you understand the question. So thank you so much, guys.